Welcome to Movies Adda, and this is your Bollywood guide G9 यानी कि दिव्य सोलगामा in conversation with superstar Akshay Kumar. Akshay, first things first, kindly share with us something about your upcoming film Gabbar, as corruption is the main issue of the film. So how close is this topic to your heart?
I've never come across anybody who has not been, because of corruption, who has not been taken for a ride or who has not bribed someone. बहुत कम कोई आदर्शवादी कोई होगा जिसने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बोला मैंने एक टूटी कौड़ी नहीं किसी को खिलाई. कहीं ना कुछ गलत करप्शन. बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे द प्रॉब्लम इज कोई काम पूरा होता ही नहीं. कुछ बनाने जाओ, पासपोर्ट बनाने जाओ, राशन कार्ड बनाने जाओ, आधार कार्ड कर लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो, नीचे से निकलना है, ये करना है. कहीं ना कहीं जाके आदमी फंसी जाता है. और द डिमांड इज बिकॉज योर लाइफ इज सो फास्ट. यू आर से कि अब कौन जाएगा पुलिस स्टेशन, अब कौन करेगा ये, कौन करेगा वो. तो आदमी बोलता है चलो ठीक है ये लो, आगे बढ़ने दो. दैट इज द रियल एंड अ प्रैक्टिकल फैक्ट. यू नो, चाहे आदमी कितना भी बोले कि मैं आदर्शवादी हूँ कहीं ना कहीं, बट द गब्बर डजंट डील विद दोज काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम. गब्बर डील्स विद अ हायर स्कैम व्हिच इज अप देयर एंड हाउ टू मेक एन एग्जांपल आउट ऑफ देम, जो अरबों रुपए का स्कैम करते हैं, अरबों रुपए की करप्शन करते हैं, which actually affects slow income tax. We as common people don't need to pay forever. For 20 years we don't need to pay that much money. We lost only in scam, and that money has gone abroad. That money has gone completely. We don't know, we don't have the uska ata pata nahi. So we are dealing with those scams, and this film talks about getting them down, thrashing them. I mean to say, is bringing a little bit violence to it and making an example out of them to everybody. वो क्या होता है, उसको एग्जाम्पल बनाने से, किसी बड़े आदमी को एग्जाम्पल बनाने से नीचे के जो है वो अपने आप सुधरना शुरू हो जाते हैं. अरे साहब वाला मार ले लोग, खूब मार ले रे बाबा, अभी मेरे को नहीं करने का ये सब. इन लोग मारते हैं, बहुत मारते हैं. एंड दैट हैज टू बी मेड पब्लिक. द प्रॉब्लम इज अंदर मारते तो कुछ मालूम नहीं रहता है. Like in lot of places like Saudi, Dubai, China, those places, they सामने मारते, सामने कोड़े पड़ते हैं. तो जब उसको पड़ती है तो आदमी को खुद भी दर्द होता है, नहीं मैं अभी लड़की को कभी नहीं छेड़ेगा. So that automatically the problem is हमको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता अंदर क्या मारा या नहीं मारा. लेकिन the problem is about human rights and this right and that right. Then fine, I mean say everything is right, then the whole country goes wrong. And that is what the whole film is about. कि अगर गब्बर के हाथ में दे दिया जाए, so his take is कि वायलेंस लाना जरूरी है. यानी कि अगर बच्चा जब बिगड़ जाता है तो 2-4 थप्पड़ लगाने पड़ते हैं, और उसे सबके सामने अपने क्लासरूम में 2-4 थप्पड़ पड़ते हैं. You made an example out of him, so a lot of other students understand. That is the whole motto behind making Gabbar what it is. See, to be honest, I'm a huge fan of Sebastian Lopez. I believe in his ideology. I believe in that, and plus at the same time, my father was in army, so I have that thing of do the right thing, otherwise padne wale. So that is what even I've seen in many countries where the crime is 0.3%. So I believe in that kind of a thing. Whether it is right or wrong, that is up to you guys to take it, whether it's right or wrong.
Akshay, you mentioned that Gabbar deals with corruption and has a good message attached to it, just like it was in Oh My God and Holiday. So why is it that people don't take positive messages from these films and instead are seen taking wrong examples from the films?
That actually is not people saying it. That is media. Some of the media trying to play mischief. Yeah, but there are some people also who say it कि अभी हाल ही में किसी ने क्या किया था, जब मारा था प्लेन से और मेरा नाम ले लिया. क्या अक्षय ने मारा तो मैं भी मारेगा जब, और अक्षय ने इतना अच्छा जो चैरिटी करता है वो क्यों नहीं किया, तो वो नहीं. So it's okay. I mean, because when police catches, एक दो थप्पड़ मारे होंगे और फिर उसने बोल दिया नहीं टानी के लो तो हम नहीं पड़ गए, सही हुआ होगा 100%, because it's not possible. And at the end of the day, it's just a film. Watch a film and don't take it too hard. And try and grasp. A man or a woman should always, whenever they watch something or they read something, you should always grasp what is good, what is right. Don't get into the wrong things. Obviously, a film will always have a negative character जो कि गंदे काम करेगा, item song दिखेगा, ये करेगा, वो करेगा. So you don't have to follow that. You have to follow the right path. So it is up to you. It is basically your mentality which shows that where you are.
Akshay, looking at your last few films, you have taken lots of risk in comparison to the time when you were doing only comical films. So what motivates you to take such type of risk, and when do we see you back in comical films? Also, do you feel comical films and actors get neglected at the awards?
I love to take risks. I've always done stunts, so and that has been my risk. So I've always had that streak in my head to take risks. So I don't care about what is going to happen. I want to do it. I want to do it. It's enjoyable and it's fun. It's fun. It's a different take. It's cinemas, and at the same time, see now about 2 साल हो गए मुझे कि I've just been doing these kind of cinema. I'm actually itching to go back to Houseful 3. I want to do it again. Like मुझे बहुत time हो गया यार हंसे ही नहीं. I have not done that cinema. I want to go back again. I want to try again, do slapstick comedy, fall on अकेले का चिल्का. There's no appreciation. No appreciation, but there's no appreciation from the award night. It's a funny thing that these guys have romantic film किया तो उसको बेस्ट एक्टर का रोमांस को आप दे रहे हो. बट व्हाट अबाउट जो आदमी कॉमेडी करता है, दैट इज नॉट एक्टिंग, इट इज आल्सो एक्टिंग. द एंड ऑफ द डे दैट इज यू मेड. So why are you differentiating a romance more higher, a comedian lesser? Comic also, I'm playing a hero comic. Don't differentiate it. Don't make it like that romance is, unless until you should give anybody who's romantic best actor in romantic, best actor in comedy, best actor as a drama. Then you differentiate it. Actually, you should be choosing because on the basis of what do you think is the best acting they did. Unfortunately, हाँ जो ज़्यादा चिल्लाएगा वो best actor होगा.
Akshay, recently Hollywood films like The Fast and Furious 7 and The Avengers Age of Ultron have done great business than the many recent Bollywood films. So what's your take on this whole issue?
हमारे पास पैसा नहीं है. हमारे वो 350-400 करोड़ में बना वो लाइन. It is because the quality of the cinema, what they make is because they have lot of money to put in, and that is why their cinema looks much better. And technical wise, graphic wise, everything, they spend so much, and they take 1 year, complete year. One actor is just doing one film, lives with it, and gets into the role and does the film. But we don't have the money. We don't have the what you call when your film releases. We are just stuck in India and another 750 screens all over the world. That's it. But still, don't underestimate this industry. This industry is huge. A few days back, I was in Germany. I was passing through the immigration, and the immigration guy, what do you do? I'm an actor in Indian. Bollywood knows it, so everybody knows it. But the only problem is that our films are not released on the mainstream cinema there. सारी फिल्में बन रही हैं अपने रीमेक पे भी बन रही है, लेकिन बहुत सारी अपने सिनेमा भी. अभी एक्चुअली क्या हो गया कि रिस्क लेना बहुत शुरू कर दिया लोगों ने. अलग अलग सिनेमा बनते हैं, अलग अलग कैरेक्टर्स खेल रहे हैं. आई थिंक हम इसे बन रहे हैं, बट ठीक है, सक्सेस रेशियो इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं चल रहा है इंडस्ट्री का. काले बादल इस वक्त हल्के से छाए हुए हैं, लेकिन गुजर जाएंगे वो.
Lastly, Akshay, kindly share with us your fascination for producing Marathi films.
I like it. I like the sensibility of Maharashtrian cinema. I've seen so many of Marathi plays. I know Marathi very well. I can speak Marathi. I can understand Marathi. And they have very intellectual sense when it comes to making cinema. And I like that, so I decided. I made 72 Miles. I got an award for that, for Best Film Award. But because their sensibility is so different from Hindi cinema, that